Tony,
Hey, Kat, what's going on?
have you ever thought about going back into automotive journalism?
For what?
Automotive journalism.
Magazines and shit? What are you, out of your fucking mind? Are you trying to give me a fucking groomer? Forget it! Done!
Tony! Tony, you don't have to write anything.
Say that again?
You don't have to write anything. We can make video
back
for
to this automotive
YouTube.
journalist shit
Yes,
again?
we can make video.
Video?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do video?
Put it on YouTube.
Oh, no. I've seen those YouTube video guys. No way. I ain't gonna spend 45 minutes trying to explain how to gap a spark plug. I don't wear sandals. I'm not gonna build some pointless project car so I can go do donuts. And, ooh, look at me, I'm doing donuts. Fuck that shit.
But Tony, it's easy. It's not hard.
Oh, just, damn it.
Tony. Ow. Oh, Tony. Tony,
Fuck you, go away.
I have a cigarette. Here, take your cigarette. You dropped it. Tony,
YouTube videos. You can't fucking smoke in a YouTube video.
listen, you don't have to do any of those things that you said. You don't have to wear sandals. We can do short videos that get right to the point.
Nobody wants to see that.
They do. They do want to see that, Tony. You can be yourself. You don't have to do any of the things that those other people do.
Yeah?
Yes. I promise.
You mean I could just do stuff that's like straightforward and to the point?
Yeah.
I don't have to like cater to any like corporate interests?
No. No, you don't have to do that.
No oppressor pigs leaning over my shoulder watching every move?
No.
And I could smoke?
You can smoke. Yes.
Maybe we can do something. I don't know. Let me think about it.
Hey, Tony,
What, babe?
have you thought about the YouTube thing?
Oh, yeah, I thought about it. It's not for me. I mean, I don't know. I just don't see it happening.
Some of those guys make a lot of money.
What'd you say?
Some of those guys make a lot of money.
I need money. Hey. Maybe we can do something. So you're telling me that I could be myself and we could just film stuff here and I don't have to blab on and on and on. I don't have to put on a big show for anybody, right? And, well, we could use all of our cars and the parts and our shop garage and our yard and the other place that we have. We'll just use all of our resources and like bring people into our garage and they could follow us along.
That's a really good idea, Tony.
We could have a whole channel. We could have a YouTube channel. People could subscribe. We'll call it Uncle Tony's Garage. And people can subscribe to Uncle Tony's Garage. And they'll get every video that we do.
They would.
They could watch us grow and flourish as YouTube performers.
Absolutely.
Damn it, I don't like this idea. Give me a